Yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate to come. If the candidate comes, then we can start doing it. Yeah, I can start taking the interview. This candidate, one candidate is coming now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for the candidate to come. I think this candidate background is, let me see what I think must be Federal Bank student. Yeah, I think it is Federal Bank only. Yeah, exactly. Federal Bank. Federal Bank student, I'm waiting for her. Why she is not coming? I will stop. Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can you please tell about yourself?
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sachi Sinha. I belong to the small town in Jharkhand named Giridi. I have done my graduation in polymer science from Delhi University. I have done my post graduation in specialization in polymer science from CCS University, Meerut, UP. My father is working as a head supervisor in accounts in the state government of Jharkhand. My mother is a homemaker, and my strengths are I am good at maintaining interpersonal relationships, and I get along with people really well. I'm a quick learner and adapt to new situations. Good.
What is polymer?
Polymer. The polymer is a
What happened? क्या हुआ?
so
Hello.
one, so 1 second, just 1 second. Hello.
Yes, please tell me.
Sorry, sir.
Are you prepared on for questions on this type of your subject, polymer?
Yes.
Not,
Yes,
not,
sir. Yes, sir.
not much. Broadly, what is polymer analysis or polymer? Whatever.
Po- Polymer is a group of macromolecules or repetitive units of monomers. For example, PVC, PVC pipes. PVC is made up of polyvinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is the monomer that undergoes polymerization to make PVC, and PVC is the most widely used for
In which area of our life is it being used?
polymer. Actually, polymer is used in every sector of our life, rather it is the pen or the conveyor belts or the medicine bottles made up of polystyrene, or you can say the milk we purchase from the market, that is in LDPE, low density polyethylene packaging, or tetra packs we purchase juice.
What about this fiber cable? This fiber cable outer, is it
uh,
related to?
yes,
Oh,
it is a polymer. uh, it is made by the process of composites.
oh.
Composites are made of polymer itself,
Mhm.
and we use rubber coating around the wire because rubber is an insulating material.
Good. Acha, how many siblings do you have?
I have one brother.
What is he doing?
He is currently preparing for UPSC.
Acha, what is he is elder brother or younger brother?
Younger.
Acha, when did you complete your post graduation?
uh, in the month of December in 2021.
Acha, then have you written any other exams?
Yes, sir. I have appeared for SBI and IBPS. I have qualified the pre, but I just cannot qualify the mains exam for a few marks.
It's okay, no problem, no problem. Good, good, good. So you are, will you be happy? How important it is for you to join Federal Bank?
Sir, uh, I'm always fascinated about pursuing my career in financial sector, as I have seen my father working as a head supervisor in accounts in the state government. So yes, the choosing financial sector as my career, the first inspiration would be my father. And secondly, Federal Bank has a good reputation in the private commercial sector, banking sector, and it has got good rating in the ambition box. Like it is 4.2 when compared to other public sector banks. So it is doing constantly well in this sector.
No, no. But the overall question was, how keen are you? The answer is, I am 100% keen on joining. I am very much keen on joining. Then you start explaining the reasons. Understand?
Okay, okay, sir.
That will go well. Can you try now? How keen
Yes,
are you in joining Federal Bank?
I am very keen in joining Federal Bank as I am very passionate about the financial sector. I've always seen my father working as a supervisor in account sector in the state government of Jharkhand. So yes, my father would be my first inspiration to join this sector, and Federal Bank is working for the majorly concentrating on digital processes and working for the poverty eradication and rural development. So that is a major motivation for me to join Federal Bank.
Good. Who is the Chief Marketing Officer of our Federal Bank?
The Chief Marketing Officer of a Federal Bank is MVS Murthy.
Who is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank?
MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Sri Srinivasan.
Very good. So have you seen the latest business reports of our Federal Bank?
Yes, sir.
What is the number of branches that they have?
The number of branches in Federal Bank is 1291.
How many ATMs and cash recyclers do they have?
The number of cash recyclers are 510 and the number of ATMs are 1350.
Very good. How many customers are there in our bank?
Uh, Sir, I don't remember.
1 crore 27 lakh.
Okay, sir.
1 crore 27 lakh. What is the rate of interest on savings bank deposit?
The rate of interest on saving bank deposit for up to 5 crore is it's repo rate minus 2.75%. That is 2.75%, and for deposit
No,
above 5 crore.
no, you are confusing. Repo rate minus 2.15.
Okay, sir.
You told wrongly as 2.75. The actual interest rate offered is now 2.75.
Okay,
That is why you got confused. Okay, doesn't matter. What is the present bank rate?
the present bank rate is 5.15%.
Very good. Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Shaktikant Das.
Mr. Shaktikanta Das or Shri Shaktikanta Das. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Now, do you know what is the job role of a junior management officer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The job role of a junior management scale 1 officer in Federal Bank would be customer acquisition, business analysis, and supporting my team in obtaining the targets set for the bank, and be the front customer desk executive.
You can tell what is given therein. Otherwise, you can also add some masala and say to receive the customers with a smile and explain the schemes and make them open their accounts, and also to do cross selling.
Okay, sir.
Now, are you interested in taking up a sales job, marketing?
Yes, sir.
You are from Jharkhand.
Yes, sir.
आपको बाई चांस हम लोग कर्नाटका में पोस्ट कर दिया, बेंगलुरु में,
Okay.
क्या करेंगे आप? काम कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir, definitely. Because moving for the right opportunity, I don't have, I'm more than happy for moving for the right opportunity, as well as I'll get a lot to learn, a lot in my real life to learn from them, their lifestyle, the culture, the festivals. It's more like relocate.
Will not your parents object to your moving out because you are the only daughter?
No, sir, because if I am pursuing a job, I will definitely have to move one place to another because that's a part of the job that's inevitable. And my parents has no objection with that because I'm already living in New Delhi.
Acha, oh, you are not in Jharkhand?
No, sir, I'm shifted here 6 years back when I started my graduation in Delhi University.
Very bad. तब तो only during COVID times you would have been staying with parents in your home.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Whom do you like very much, mummy or daddy?
My father,
Pardon?
daddy.
Daddy. Why?
Because I have seen him constantly struggling without showing it to us. From our childhood, he has not complained anything, or he is just doing his best to give everything to us.
Good. Very nice. Excellent. Um, can you tell a few deposit products of our bank?
Sir, deposit products.
Mm. Did you
Sir,
go
I don't.
through? Did you go through the website?
Yes, sir.
Website may they have given about savings bank itself different products. If you can't tell full details, at least say simply savings bank, current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit. I
Oh,
suppose.
yes, a federal bank is offering several facilities such as Fed Excel account, Fed Smart account, Fed Selfie bank account opening.
Good. This is what I wanted. Good. Now, um, can you tell me what do you understand by term loan?
Loan.
Yeah,
Loan,
term loan. Term loan का
okay,
मतलब
term loan.
term loan का मतलब loan repayable over a length of time, say 3 years, 4 years, like that. Every month, some money to be repaid. For example, auto loans are all term loans. Understand?
Okay, okay,
Auto loans are term loans, and um, auto loans are term loans, and also the or say housing loans are also term loans. What is the security in the case of housing loan?
in the case of housing loan, security can be land.
Security can be no. Security will be the house they are purchasing.
Okay, sir.
Why? Why? I think you are attending my classes, na?
Yes, sir.
Then why are you struggling? These are very not so difficult situations which I have been explaining for the last 10 days. आप क्यों इतना struggle हो रहे हैं? You got some fear now immediately?
No, sir.
No. This is a very simple question. Na? When you buy a car loan, when you take a car loan, car is the security. When you buy a housing loan, house is the security. Understand? I think
Okay, sir.
I must have told in the class about pledge, hypothecation, mortgage, and all. Were you there in that class or not?
No, sir. I was not able to attend that class.
But I have given you the links of materials, na, of the videos. Are
Yes,
you
sir.
are you getting my videos or not? Links.
Yes, sir.
Please see them. That will help you. Now you must be. Can you tell me what is pledge, mortgage, and also hypothecation? You don't know.
No, sir.
Pledge is happening in the case of gold loan, where gold is pledged to the bank. It is left in the custody of the bank. Hypothecation is happening in the case of auto loan, where the property that is secure, given as security, is lying in the hands of the borrower only, not in the hands of the bank. The car is in the hands of the borrower only. Only the name of the bank is written in the registration certificate book, RC book.
Okay, sir.
Could you follow? And
Yes.
mortgage is a sequence where a property that is bought, immovable property that is bought, is given as security. The title deeds are given to the banker. इस सब का बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ना चाहिए ना. I think the material I have given you, that infinite small में थोड़ा पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा?
Yes, sir. I have studied that, but
याद आता
it's.
नहीं. You are not remembering it, correct?
But sir, I think there is no mortgage, and this is not mentioned in that PDF.
Really? Is it so? Oh.
I think so because I was just now revising that PDF.
1 minute. Let me see, because I should. It must be there. Anyhow, let me. Not that it cannot be there. Maybe. Just let me. Oh, hold on. I have given you. Did you go through our bankers adda material? No.
Sir, I have gone through the bankers adda material for the starting interview related questions.
That is right. That's correct. Acha ji, I am in infinite small. I am in infinite small. In infinite small, पहले इधर देता है. What is banking, assets and liabilities, various credits, types of accounts, monetary policy, NBFC, negotiable instrument, DDs, NPCI, PSNL, national income, financial inclusion, NPA and its solutions, Basel norms, inflation, some important terms only they are giving. Just a minute. Under some important terms में होगा ना मेरे ख्याल से. Let me check up. But this is a very favorite question. This is not there. Hypothecation, pledge वगैरह. Maybe it is not there. अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा ये बताइए, what is banking ombudsman?
Banking ombudsman. If there is any problem in the banking sector, or you face some kind of problem with the bank, you can move to the banking ombudsman for your problem to be resolved.
Super. Which date is your interview?
18.
18th. Oh, what is NBFC?
NBFCs are non-banking financial corporation. They serve major banking activities, but are not allowed to have deposits and cannot issue credit cards.
They are not allowed to open demand deposits. They can take fixed deposits.
Okay, sir.
So then what is negotiable instrument? Can you name a few negotiable instruments?
Yes, sir. Negotiable Instruments Act includes a bill of exchange, check, and promissory note.
Good. What is a post-dated check?
A post-dated check is a check on which the date of future is mentioned on it, and it can be encashed on the future date.
Yeah. What is a stale check?
A stale check is a check
which is dated 3 months before the current
yes,
date.
sir.
Which
Yes,
is
sir. I
dated
just
3
got
months.
confused.
No, but you can use a date example and say, for example, today is 18th July. If the check is dated 17 April, then it is considered as, and 17 April 2022 or prior to that, it is considered as stale check. And today is 18th July. If the check is dated as 19th July or 20th July, so that is a post-dated check. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is white label ATM? Who provides white label ATM?
White label ATMs are provided by NBFCs.
Brown label ATMs?
In brown label ATMs, the automated teller machine and the hardware is provided by the service provider, but the cash management is done by the sponsor bank.
Super. Good. Can you expand UPI?
Unified Payment Interface.
Can you expand IMPS?
Immediate Payment Services.
Acha, I forgot to tell you. NBFC, when you were telling non-banking financial corporation. Instead, you can use the word companies, non-banking financial companies.
Okay, sir.
What is the expansion of NACH?
NACH, National Automated Clearing House.
Good. Very good. What is the expansion of GDP?
Gross Domestic Product.
What is GNP?
Gross National
GDP, GNP, gross national product.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What is PPP? Purchasing power parity.
Okay, sir.
Purchasing power parity. Very good. What is inflation?
Inflation, according to RBI, the target is to maintain 2 to 6% inflation in the range 2 to 6%. And I'm not able to define it.
No, simply say inflation refers to general increase in the price of goods and services. This occurs
Okay,
when
sir.
demand for these items grows faster than the supply. It is given in our infinite small. Suddenly, because I asked mortgage question, you started fearing, correct?
Yes, sir. Because
No.
I have not studied it.
It's okay, doesn't matter. I tell you frankly, I have come across candidates out of 16 questions, they have not answered 4 questions correctly. Still, they are recruited only because of the confidence. You possess that confidence, you will do very well. Expand RTGS.
Real-time gross settlement.
Expand NEFT.
National Electronic Fund Transfer.
Expand IFSC.
International Financial Service Corporation.
No. Indian Financial System Code. IFSC, 11-digit number. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is MICR expansion?
Magnetic Ink Character Recognition.
Very good. Thank you. You have done well. Best wishes. God bless you. After the interview, send me the list of questions they are asking. Now, if you want, tell me any doubts you have.
No, sir.
Yeah, you did very well, excepting in between when I asked about mortgage pledge, you went into shell. Don't do like that. It is 100% in order for us not to answer all the queries. Yesterday in our class, somebody asked about immediately what is that? Net worth. Immediately I could not tell. So that doesn't mean it's wrong. Okay. Yesterday you
Okay.
attended the class? No.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. So are you, I will rate your performance at 9 out of 10. 9.
Thank you,
I
sir.
will select you. I won't. There is no reason why I should not select you. I will select you. Only area I have not asked is about sales. Oh, I think you can manage that. Marketing. I have been repeatedly talking about it in our classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Is it okay for us to use it in our YouTube, this video?
Yes, sir.
Good. Would you, I will see you in our WhatsApp. Just 1 minute, I will see you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.